Hey guys, so I'm bringing you a very short one this time. I just installed the oil catch can on my dad's 2000 Toyota Camry. So this is the one with the 2.2 liter inline 4. And this is a spot where I found to be best to fit it in. So what I did is I drilled a hole in the metal here. There was no hole in this area, and I used one of those nuts that basically runs into the slot. I don't know. I guess if I find a picture of it, I'll put it up right here, right now. Anyways, I ran this bolt. Yeah, the bolt's a little rusty. It came out of that car. But it's still useful. It's got good threads. And yeah, so I drilled a hole on the bracket that came with the oil catch can, and I first test fitted it and it went in smoothly. I'm like, dang, I nailed it. Okay, so then I bolted this down to the bracket, and I bolted the bracket back down with this on it, and I closed the hood to hopefully see if this part right here was going to be hitting this, and it does not hit it. So we're good to go. So then I left it there, and I started putting everything back. Well, not back, but putting everything together. And so I'm using a 5/8 hose for the outlet, because this is not a 5/8 inlet. This is actually 1/2 inch, and this is obviously a 5/8. So yeah, that's the line I put up, and it's tight. Now the one for the inlet to the oil catch can is a 3/8 fitting. Sorry about the camera. This is a 3/8, and it's very, very tight fitting. Okay, it's there's no need for me to put a clamp on that. That is tight as heck. I actually had to sweat to put that in, and the same thing happened over here. So that's actually completely 3/8, and it's very tight. So that being said, everything's put up together, and this one is just like the one on the Nissan. It's got a dipstick, so you can check whenever you've driven it, maybe what, 1,000, 2,000 miles. You want to check this if it's got any oil. If it's got any oil, the space is very tight. What I found to be better is to basically unbolt it from here, and it comes off as one piece. Okay, so that's that, and we're done. You see, I told you it was gonna be a short video. So yeah, if you like that, if you like this idea that I did right here, if you actually enjoy this video showing you how I basically put everything up, please hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, including this short one, then hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next videos that I put up. And other than that, you guys have a great day, have a great week or weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.